While we all enjoy watching the changing colors of the seasons, raking leaves can be a tiring chore. We also talked to Chris Kaiser, President and CEO of the Outdoor Power Equipment Institute and Equip Exposition, and Adam Woodhams, garden, lawn, and landscape professional and host of Gardener's Clippings on YouTube, to find out what are the most important things to consider with cordless leaf blowers. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 cordless leaf blowers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Greenworks 80 volts cordless brushless backpack blower. If you've got a lot of ground to cover, you may want to take a closer look at the Greenworks Pro 80 volts cordless backpack leaf blower. The manufacturer claims that it can easily handle clearing leaves up to 1 acre, and we agree that it is a powerful leaf blower. Specifically, we liked the variable speed so we could clear leaves with precision, and we appreciated that there are multiple ways to control power. One is like a trigger, and we used that feature the most so we could turn the blower off easily to improve accuracy. The other speed control keeps it on at a constant speed. The backpack design helps distribute the weight evenly and makes it easier to maneuver. One of our shorter testers commented that it was a little unwieldy for her to get it on because it was so big. Number 2. Black Plus Decker 20 volts max cordless leaf blower. If you're looking for an inexpensive, lightweight cordless leaf blower to clear your front steps or a small patio, this is a great option. We like this cordless leaf blower for those with a small outdoor space. During our testing, this leaf blower cleared leaves off of concrete much faster than it cleared leaves on grass. We had to make 2 or 3 passes with the blower to move leaves in the grass. There is only one power setting, so we had to hold the blower low to the ground to get the air under the leaves to lift them up. The biggest benefit of this cordless leaf blower is that it weighs less than 4 pounds, and we were able to operate it with one hand. Occasionally, we used 2 hands to help direct the flow with more precision, but it was light enough that our forearms didn't get tired. Number 3. Works 40 volts turbine leaf blower cordless. If you're looking for a long battery life, the Works 40 volts turbine cordless is the best leaf blower for you. It comes with 2 20 volts batteries that slide onto each side of the handle. Even with the double battery configuration, this cordless leaf blower only weighs about 7 pounds. We were impressed by the power of this leaf blower and noted it was an effective leaf blower with multiple power settings. The first setting cleared most conditions, including wet leaves, and we also noted that it was lightweight and easy to handle with one hand. The higher power setting delivers speeds up to 90 miles per hour, which works best for working around shrubs in the landscape and moving leaves across the grass. With the extra battery life, this lightweight cordless leaf blower can handle big jobs, and we recommend this leaf blower for homeowners with a medium to large size yard. Number 4. Ryobi P2108A1 Plus cordless jet fan blower. For some homeowners, lugging around a heavy leaf blower can be a deterrent to using their cordless leaf blower. This model from Ryobi only weighs 6 pounds, making it much easier for users to manage. We felt in control of this leaf blower, and it was easy to maneuver and use. Although it's lightweight, we found it very powerful. It has a variable speed of up to 100 miles per hour, with an airflow capacity of 280 cubic feet per minute, CFM, and we noted that this blower quickly got up to full power. The official battery runtime listed by the manufacturer is 15 to 20 minutes, but we were able to use it for 30 minutes before the battery ran out. It took 2 to 3 hours to charge the battery, so you may want to consider having 2 batteries on hand so you can charge one while using the other. Number 5. Makita Expo 03 SM1 brushless cordless blower. The best overall cordless leaf blower is this option by Makita. At just 6.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough to use with one hand but powerful enough to clear a 10 square foot area of leaves in seconds. One feature we really liked was the multiple power options. The blower was easy to hold with one hand and to adjust power control with the other hand. You can also use the speed lock function, think of it like cruise control on your car, for continuous use. Users also have the option to use the variable speed trigger function to adjust the speed. Using this trigger function will extend the run time, but if you keep the leaf blower running continuously, it will drain the battery faster. One feature we appreciated was the power boost. To engage the power boost, we had to have the speed lock set, and then we could engage the trigger for more power. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.